Hi, I'm Phil, one of the chemists here at the Simoniz Research and Development Centre. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our Simoniz Foam Dash Cleaner. Even if you regularly take the time to clean the outside of your car, it's easy to forget about the inside. Dust and dirt can easily build up on your dashboard. Simoniz Foam Dash Cleaner contains powerful cleaning agents which will quickly remove dust and common stains such as ketchup, coffee and even lipstick. To avoid getting any on the glass, I would recommend spraying Simoniz Foam Dash Cleaner onto a cloth first and then applying by hand. Once the dashboard is dry, finish with a dash protector such as our Simoniz Gloss Dash Shine or Simoniz Matte Dash Finish, depending on whichever look you prefer. Both of these products will prevent future dirt and dust from building up on the surface and will even protect against scuff marks.